If you've been trying to decide between the Xiaomi 17T and the Vivo V70, here's a quick side-by-side breakdown from my experience looking into both. Starting with the Xiaomi 17T, it feels like the more performance-focused option. You're getting a snappy processor, smooth multitasking, and generally better value if you care about raw speed and gaming. The display is bright and responsive, and it handles everyday use without breaking a sweat. Now the Vivo V70 leans more toward design and camera quality. It's sleek in the hand, a bit more premium looking, and the portrait shots especially stand out. Vivo really seems to be targeting users who care about photography and style over heavy performance. Battery life on both is solid, but Xiaomi tends to last slightly longer under heavy use, while Vivo optimizes better for lighter daily tasks. In terms of software, both are smooth, but it comes down to preference in interface style. So which one wins? If you want performance and value, go Xiaomi. If you care more about cameras and design, Vivo takes it.